What's wrong with this picture?
Anybody tell? Let's go up to the lock too. Yeah, it's not right. The key goes in like this, you know? He doesn't go. I mean, you're coming home, you're 3 sheets to the wind. You can't remember to flip your key. It's pretty common, and on these Kwikset locks, you got to take it apart to fix it. There's a little tool I bought. It makes it a 10 easier. So let's get into this. Just Phillips screws. Of course, they're at an angle, so it's very difficult to get to. Very easy to strip out. So, yeah. I don't know what the right thing to do is, but this seems to work for me. I guess a long, thin Phillips would get in there. Older knobs would come off with a clip, or maybe some brands still do that, but not this one. So this seems to be, it's gonna make it happen. Yeah, this is just a stupid little thing that bothers me, you know. You want the key in the right position. All right, with those out, and that pulls right out. And this will come out, but you need to press that in. Now what we got to do is focus here, Michael. We got to get this piece out, and to do that, we need to push in on. All right, let's try that again. Focus. So here we got this giant spring we got to push over. I think it's from this side. Let's see. Push that in, and that allows us to take this guy, spin him. I think we want to spin him first, because we want to get this little notch right there. Okay. Now those little clips popped over. Now we want to spring that clip over using anything large. This comes out. Okay. Put that down. And down in here, there's 2 little springs like this. And we watch videos online. These guys are, oh, take a screwdriver, this angle, that angle. I tried. I couldn't do it. So I went to the local hardware store. This is a lock cylinder removal tool. Got this one on Amazon, but they have them at local stores. Actually, Home Depot does not have this. It says ship to store. I was so aggravated. I'm like, why don't you sell things? You're a giant box store. Anyway, go down like this, and it's going to push on those 2. And we want to make sure we're going to flip that. I'm going to pull that cylinder out, and we want to flip it 180. So, all right. So with that, keeping tension on that, that's giving us more room to get in there. And I think this is just a simple push. Because I did, yep, just push like down. See, it pushes on those 2 springs. I wonder if there's some other thing you could use. It's just going to be that perfect width right there. All right. So that was like that. We want to flip it 180 and put it back together. Now that key will be in the right position when we put it in the door. And the only reason you have to do this on this Kwikset is because of that half moon shape right there. This only goes in one way. You can't just, some locks you can just, oh, there you go, and put it back together. But the way they design this one, you have to have that half moon. So I'll show you putting that other thing back in, just in case somebody didn't. So that was down in there. Let's see, I'll show you putting this back in, and I'll put it in the lens. That goes down in there. Feel it kind of pop. Pull that out. You should be good. I think that's down all the way. And this should, yeah, rotate, and that's, yeah. Cool. All right. All right, let's put this back in. Over, you can see what I'm doing. So half moon is there. I need to push that in just so it goes in. 2 holes come through. And this only goes it doesn't matter which way this goes, but getting these to line up is kind of a pain. You know what matters is, again, the half moon. Yeah, it does matter. So getting that lined up can be a, yeah, trying to get these screwed back in. They have a little bit of Loctite on them. As you can see, they have like a little blue stuff on the threads. That is necessary. And when I'm done with this, I'll show you another thing with this door. All right, find the right key. Lock, lock, open, open. Oh no! Oh no! What happened? Jesus! Oh, there we go. Something feels tight in there. Something's a little wonky. It'll open. It locks. Locks. Open. Let me see what's sticking. What's going on there? Jesus. No. All right. I don't know. I loosened these two bolts, and now it returns like it should. So I don't know. I think this is a case of cheap door and me over tightening. I mean, they're not that loose. They just did like a. No. Anyway, good luck with that. That's how you use the proper tool to do it, and 10 seconds rather than me fighting for a half hour. Good luck.